Okay. If you still remember, last week we discussed about the curve. Okay. And then I forget to explain it to you one more thing. Yeah. That time, the inside of the 3D model is a black area. So basically, if you create a double layer, yeah, let me show it to you like this. Number one, click view, image plane, import image. After that, you can select this this image, yeah, last week, and then you need to set up into X like this. Okay, yeah. Last time I showed to you that only a single line, isn't it? So if you wanna make it the inside the object is solid form, yeah, you can do with a double layer. Example, let me show it to you. Something like this. The time something like this, but you can actually you can do like this, yeah. You can drag this image plane little bit. Ah, like this, and then you can select the curve again. Goes to the vertex. Under temporal unavailable. This curve. Okay. Again, okay. You can do like this. Double layer means something like you create. But you have to be careful whether you are not select not over the y-axis. So let me hiding this one. Show image plane. Yeah. Later on you can adjust. So you can do like this. So if you do like this and then you revolve it, so you actually you can create the inside the object become a solid one, not a black area. So that one is one of the solution. If you want to make it a solid form, inside the object. Yeah? If you do, revolve. Yeah? But you have to be careful in the x-axis here. Make sure you are in the on the line of the y-axis. Yeah? Yeah. Then you can do revolve. Okay, this is the last week, and then today we are going. Before we proceed to the sculpting, yeah, let me explain it to you one more thing. Do you have a question regarding to this curve?
Oh, tak ada lagi.
Yeah. So this one is for to solve the inner, yeah, inner layer of the 3D model. Yeah, you can do second layer like this. All right. Okay, before we go to the sculpting, let me explain to you one more thing. It's about the child and parent relation. Yeah. So this is also important to you. Yeah. This is top. Let me go to the perspective. Let me delete it. Okay. So let me select the primitive object. Yeah. We can call it polymodeling. So what is the relationship between a parent and child? As we know that supposedly a child must follow the parent, but it doesn't happen today. And the parent follow the child. It was happen in this era, yeah? But in 3D modeling, uh, the relationship between a parent and child can be used, especially when you do the animation. Yeah? Example, I have a sphere and I have a cube. Let me translate it. This one like this. Okay. Okay. Imagine that the sphere is a head, and the cube here is a head. Yeah. So this is a child and this is the parent. Okay. And child and this is the controller. Okay. So sometimes when you do the animation, yeah, you move. Okay. The object should be moved, and then sometimes you have to open. Let's say you want to take off the head, example, or you want to have a songkok in your head, then you want to take off, and then supposedly uh, you can do it smoothly. That time I show it to you combine, yeah, combine between two objects. Okay, if you do a combination or join or merge, yeah, between two the object here, uh, you cannot take off the head, yeah, you cannot take off the songkok, yeah. Kalau you ada, you can imagine this is head, yeah. You cannot take off because if you do the combine here, okay, you are merged, two object become a single object. Okay. In order to solve this issue, okay, especially in the animation, yeah, when you do the animation later on, and then you want to take off this head, okay, and then later on you want to put on your head again, so you can do the relationship between the child and the parent. So what should you do? You click the child first, like this. Press shift, click the parent, yeah, or controller. Okay. Then press P. So once the parent move, okay, the child will follow. But if you want to take the head or child, okay, the parent will not follow. But if you select the parent or the controller, and the child will follow. Always follow where the parent move. Yeah. So this is not combined, yeah, not combining between two objects, but you set relationship, yeah, between two objects. This is a parent, this is a child. Okay, once the parent move, the child will follow. But if the child move, the parent will not follow. Clear, eh? This one, yeah. Ada soalan?
Tak ada.
Okay. If there is no question, let us move to the sculpting.
Okay, ni cube. Lepas tu ni... Sekejap. Ni sphere. Oh, my bad.
You can share your screen. Let me help you. Where is the child? Where is the parent? Don't wrong selection. If you wrong selection, it will be the position the parent and child don't swap it. Yeah. So you have to be careful. This is pair. This is a child. Example. Ini songkok. Songkoknya. Imagine this is a head. Okay. Number one, select the child first. Yeah. Shift. Select the head. Okay, and then press P. Then you select the head, you can move it. The child will follow you. Clear ya? Boleh ya?
Boleh sir.
Alright. Okay, now we will go to the sculpting. Okay, curve done, polymodeling done, sculpting now. In the sculpting, yeah, you can select polymodeling, which is a plan here like this. After that, you can resize it. Yeah. Example, have a look here in the layer editor. What is mean here? Scale x24. You can go to the width height 1, 1. It means that 24 centimeters, yeah? The plan that you have. Okay. Example, I create a subdivision, width and height is 100. Okay, like this. All right. Next one, you can go to the sculpting here. There are a lot of sculpting model here. Later on, you can explore one by one. Try to use it. Yeah. So let me select softly lift a surface. Can you see my cursor here? It become a circle. Okay. Once you left click and drag, you can get the scallop here. Once you press the once you click left and then drag, it means you try to pull the surface. Okay. If you press the control, hold in, yeah, hold the control button, and then drag, you push the surface. Okay. If you press Shift and hold Shift button, you are smoothing the surface. So let's say I want to make it become larger like this, or maybe this area. Smoothing. Clear?
Sir, can you repeat one more, sir?
Okay. You can choose this one. You are in this stage. You have a plan. You select the softly lift surface. Do you get the same circle size? Come on, just discussion. It's okay. They recorded the video just for your reference.
Which one, sir?
After you select the softly, this one, yeah, softly lift a surface. Do you
Okay.
get the same size?
No, I got smaller.
You got smaller.
Yeah.
Maybe you got higher, larger, the radius. Okay, you can go to the sculpting, double click. Then you can see the brush. Okay, under the brush you can see the size here. You can adjust it. Yeah, wanna make it smaller, wanna make it a bigger, then close it. Okay. Can double click. Okay, you can adjust the size based on your preference, and also you can adjust the strength. Yeah, done.
Sir, kenapa saya punya lain lah?
Share your screen.
Okay.
Okay, you need to resize the plane. Using a proportional scale. You just click the transform tool, scale tool, or R.
R.
Okay, select the middle one. Yes. Zoom out. Again, zoom out again. Yes. Okay, larger again. Okay. Okay, after that, you go the sculpting.
This one.
Yeah. Left click and drag.
Sebenarnya dia jadi 4 meter. Why?
select the image plane.
Which
Okay, go add the subdivision.
subdivision?
Uh-huh. Subdivision set to 100.
White 100.
Width and height 100. Where is it? I didn't see. Enter. I don't. Supposedly become. If you change the subdivision, become like this. I didn't see. Do you select the plane correctly?
Yes.
Let me see. I didn't see. Select the plane. Okay, and then subdivision width and height is 100. Okay, correct. And then uh, left click and drag the sculpting. What's the option?
It's got two.
And
Hmm.
make it small. Double click again. Small again. Maybe not 6. 0.7 example. Define it. Yeah,
Okay.
something like that.
Okay, thank you, sir.
How about the that one is pull in, yeah? How about the push it? Press the
Push.
control.
Oh,
Mm.
okay.
How about the smooth? Press a shift.
Correct, sir.
Mm-hmm. You can shift beside the hill, right or left side. Okay.
Thank you, sir.
All right. Okay. You also can adjust, the scalp. You can see this one. Uh, you can adjust the scallop here under fall off. Yeah. You can see the surface volume. Yeah. You also can edit it. Yeah. Let's say you can use a preset curve. You are selecting this type. Okay. Once you close it, then you try to scallop this area. It will be more slower. Yeah. Something like that. You can play. You can explore this. Where is it? This one. You can explore the this one. Fall off. Um, Maybe you can use the others. Maybe this one. You can see the difference. It will become like this curve, and this one become. So this one is depends on your preset curve. Yeah. You can choose this one. You can choose this one. Minimum brush size, you also can change it. All right, I give you 10 minutes to design your heel, and you also can use the uh, smooth and also the push it, yeah, push it the scallop, yeah. Example, do like this. This is two, yeah. I think this is because of preset. I have to change again before I implement it. Maybe I will use fall off this one, yeah, for to see this one.
Sir,
Yes.
kenapa bulat saya tu besar sangat?
Share your screen.
Sekejap.
Aha.
Kenapa dia besar sangat? Sekejap.
Okay. Uh, so you need to double click the scallop. You can when you choose the this one, yeah. Softly lift, yeah. Double click.
Tak ada pun?
Maksud saya goes to the sculpting. Double click. Okay.
Aha.
Uh,
Sini
you can see the size. Make it 0.7 maybe or 0.8, up to you. Then close it.
Okay.
Okay. Then you can design.
Kenapa dia jadi?
Subdivision kena bagi 100.
Subdivision tak cukup.
Sekejap. Ni
Betul.
Bawah 100 juga.
Betul.
Okay. Sekejap. Okay. Okay dah.
Okay. So
Thank you.
subdivision is you have to look at your plane, yeah. If your plane is too big, yeah, so you have to increase the subdivision. So because the subdivision will show it to you the something like detailed surface, yeah. So if you have a lot of subdivision, then you can create a surface based on your preference. It will be better, something like that. So I give you 10 minutes to design your environment. Okay, maybe you have a heel, maybe you have the combination with the push it, yeah, and or smooth it. So let me see how it looks like. Then we proceed the others, yeah, grass and other things. I give you 5 minutes to explore. 10 minutes, to explore all the feature. Okay. Any one of you can show it to me?
Acer seronok lah buat benda ni.
Okay. Amar, Hafiz, can you share?
Um, saya tersiap lagi ni on the way nak ratakan yang dalam ni.
Okay. Can I proceed now? Boleh ya?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. Next thing is we want to add the grass. Yeah? Grass here, you have to convert it into to be painful. So I have to select the plane, this one. Yeah. This plane. Okay. And then I have to click generate. Okay. And select make paintable. Yeah. So you can adjust grass. Yeah. After that, you also can add the tree, and so on. Yeah. So I click make paintable like this. Okay. Now I select the generate again. Select the get brush. Okay. Then I can see the grass here. I can choose the olive view. Yeah. For example, this one. Close it. Then I can drag and drop this. Yeah. If you want to make it larger, okay, you can make it larger like this by press B. B, hold press B, yeah, and then drag it like this. Then you can create the grass. Okay. Or you want to make it small, press B again, smaller like this. Then do this one. This is very small. Clear?
Sir,
Yes.
macam mana tadi?
Okay. Let me control Z. Okay. Number one, you select the object. This one, P plane. Okay. Go to the generate. Make paintable. Okay. After that, generate again. Get brush. Okay. Select. Mana? FG. Select the grasses. Okay. And then choose any grass here. You can choose based on your preference. Close it. Okay. You can see your pencil here, isn't it? Then you can press B. Yeah. Press B, hold, yeah, hold B. Then you can drag your mouse, okay, left or right. Okay, you wanna make it larger, smaller. You wanna make like this, larger than this one, or you wanna resize again. I want a smaller, so then you can drag like this after that. can do. Done. Can.
Can.
Okay. Next, you also can add a tree. Yeah. Select the generate. Get brush. Choose a tree here. Example, this one. I click this one, close it. Same, you can do a B here, but this is a bigger tree. If you want to make it smaller, just press B. Where is the location that you want to click? This is 3. This is too big.
Sir,
Yes.
grass saya jadi besar gila. Macam mana?
Share the screen.
Sekejap.
What is that?
Tak tahu dia jadi besar. Sekejap. Kan? Nah, dia jadi tak tahu.
You can press B. Let's make it smaller. Again, one more. Okay. Ini okay. Later on, we can adjust that one. Yeah. You can adjust the grass. Yeah. Don't worry.
Sekejap.
Let me show it to you.
Sekejap.
Okay. Once I click the grass, yeah, example, this one, this is too big example. Then you can go to the attribute editor here. Okay. You also can reduce the quality. Okay, let's say due to the saving memory, then I am going to reduce it, make it 75 example. Yeah. So what happened? They will reduce the quality of the grass itself. Or there is a this one. Okay, you can select the AstroTurf number 3. You can scale it up. This one, make it small. This is small. This one I also can make it small. This one. If too large. Okay. And also you can see the seed, yeah, under the stroke shape. This one, there is a seed. Seed is help you to show the different type of grass. Maybe you cannot see this one. So let me choose the tree. The tree, and then I can. The original one is egg. Let me change the value. They have a different type of tree. Ada mana satu? Example this one. Example, yeah. And then you also can change the twist. Yeah. You wanna see from which angle? Yeah. Let's say this is your camera here. Okay. Let me. Okay. So you can twist it. Example like this. Okay, try to explore this mesh, shading, texturing, and then illumination, okay, shadow effect. Okay, you wanna add a shadow or none, glow. Another one is tube. Okay. Tube is the you can select a tube. Let me show it to you. Under the tube here, select the behavior. Okay. Under the behavior, we have turbulence. Yeah. Okay. Inside the turbulence type, you can choose 3 wind. Okay. So this is the wind. The effect of the wind. Example, we want to animate this tree. So you can select, you can see that this is time frame. Yeah. So let me time frame number 1. Let me select this one. Okay. I add the turbulence example like this, and then I set keyframe. Right click, set keyframe. I move to the time frame number 25 example. I change like this. And then I set the keyframe again. Let me play. Oh. So I think I am going to reduce the speed here. Okay, number 1, frequency maybe not much, and the speed also I reduce it 28. How about the 25? Yeah. Okay, same, do the same thing. Then you can see a slow motion. Try to explore turbulence. Do you have question? Do you have question? Or maybe should I repeat
Yes, repeat.
from where?
The turbulence part.
Turbulence part. Okay. Okay. Under these properties, yeah, and this attribute, okay, attribute here, you can goes down, select the tube. Can you find it?
Yes.
Okay, tube. Okay, if you go to a behavior, where is the behavior? Cannot see. That one is under tube. Okay, tube, and then choose the behavior. Okay, after that, choose the turbulence. Okay, turbulence type, 3 wind. Yeah. After that, this is your key. This is your time frame. Do you have time frame? If you don't have it, let me know. then we have to display the time frame, the animation one. Can go to the Windows animation editor, can to show this one time frame under in this side. Select one, frame number 1, and then you need to set the keyframe. Let's say the turbulence like this, the example. Right click, set key until red. Under that, red means you are set the key. Done.
Then set.
Then you move to the frame, 30, 40, or 50. You know the animation actually the sequence of the images, right? And each image or each frame, let's say if you look at the video, how many frames per second? If they mention a 64 frame per second, actually within 1 second they have a 64. Okay, so let's say I make it animation within a second, so I choose the 64 in this part, and then I set a different value to turbulence speed. So I set the value like this, example. Okay. And then in the frame number 64, right click, set key. And it will be automatically run the set keyframe that you mentioned in the number 1 and number 64. They will repeat it repetitively. You play, it will become like this.
Sir,
Yes.
ka- kalau pokok tu banyak, kena buat satu-satu ke?
Not necessary. Okay, but if you have a lot of tree, then you can sieve. By using a sieve, you can select all the tree, then you can set the keyframe.
Okay, combine dia sekali. Okay.
Tree saya tak gerak.
Okay, gerakkanlah. Share screen. Oi, bagus ya.
Sekejap, sorry. Ni dah tukar turbulence dia dengan frekuensi apa semua kan.
Frame 1, start from frame 1 lah. Oh, frame 1 tu tree mana yang you nak gerakkan?
Yang kecil.
Yang kecil. Okay, set keyframe.
Keyframe.
On the turbulence text. Betul tadi turbulence. Dekat sini ya. Can you see the turbulence left side?
Left side.
Let me show it to you. This side. Okay. Wait a moment. This side. Turbulence. Can you see under the red
Yes.
area? Right click. Then you can see set key. Set key means you are selecting in which key. So let's say you select 1 and then go to turbulence here. Right click, set key.
Okay.
And after that, move to the other frame, time frame. Example is 50 example. Then you need to change this one, the value from the origin. Change to any value here. And then set, right click, set key again.
Ah, kena every time switch frame kena set key balik lah.
Mm-mm.
Okay.
Others? Muhammad Syahmin?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay tak?
Sekejap, saya. Okay.
Share the screen. You want to share?
Okay, sir.
Okay. Okay.
Saya tak nampak pun key dia.
You want to share the screen?
Sekejap.
Asal kita macam mana kita nak check semula dekat key berapa yang kita dah set tu?
What is this?
Pokok?
And then, what you want to do here?
Gerakkan tadi.
Uh, 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 what is the white color tu?
Apa?
Yang putih tu apa?
Tadi tekan shift.
Can you zoom in? Oh, apa ni? Pokok.
Pokok.
Okay. So, which betul ke pokok tu?
Betul.
Okay. You have to select that tree. Select first.
Maksudnya shift tadi tak jadi.
Again? Yang tak jadi apa?
Sekejap. Sebab tadi dah shift kan.
Shift apa? Zoom
Alah,
in.
tak apalah, saya buang je lah. Banyak sangat lah pokok ni, kejap.
Oh, buatlah satu-satu dulu.
Okay.
Okay. You can explore your 3D model. Design first, try. Then after that, you can try to render it. Yeah. The rendering process is actually take a time, especially if you don't have a GPU. Yeah. First, yeah, you can render. You can render object. Yeah. If you have convert it into the polygon. Yeah, you can select the tree. Yeah, this one. This is your tree, and also this is the leaf. Okay. Select the tree, and then go to the modify, convert. Okay, paint effect to polygon. Okay. After you convert into the polygon, yeah, you can use the different engine. Yeah, you can use the Arnold engine to render it. You also can use the Maya. Okay. For the setting, you can go to this one. This symbol setting. Here you can choose the Maya Hardware 2.0 or Arnold render. Yeah. So let's say you choose the Maya, and then you have to type the file name prefix. Okay. The image format. After that, you also can image size. Okay, the output desired. Okay, let's say you want the HD 1000. Remember, if you select the highest level, it will what we call require consuming time. Yeah, and then this is a width height setting. Okay, you can close it, or you can use the Arnold rendering. Yeah. Here I don't have a GPU. Okay. So therefore, when you use the Arnold, okay, make sure the object is in the polygon. Yeah. So you can choose the system here. Select the CPU. Yeah. So in my computer, I don't have GPU. If you have a GPU, then you can use a graphic card. Okay. And then close it. Okay. For the Arnold, let me see. Not complete yet. I think it's quite heavy in my computer. Let me refresh again. For the Arnold one, you can do this one like this. You can do select Arnold, okay, light, put the light. Without the lighting, usually Arnold not able to, it will be dark. So it's better to you to put a light, select light, select the sky dome light, yeah, and then render it. Yeah. So you will get the output like this, but this one is not complete yet. The problem, my CPU has less memory, so it's quite heavy. Only 113 grass, and also this one. Still doing. Maybe your computer can perform faster. Yeah. Okay. Try it to render it. Yeah. This one. Maybe if you done, okay, you can show it to me. Yeah. Especially to those who has a GPU, then you can render it very fast.
Sir,
Yes.
image format tadi apa? Kejap. Image format tadi apa eh?
I choose PNG. You can choose any file format. JPEG okay. PNG also okay. TIFF pun okay.
Okay.
The most important thing, once you use Arnold, you have to make sure whether you already convert it. Once you convert it, become like this. Yeah. You can see this is the polygon. You can see right click, edges, vertex, face. Yeah. So once you are in the polygon mode, you can render through the Maya Hardware 2.0 or other engine. Example is Arnold engine. Like this. Okay. If you use Arnold, make sure you add the light here, sky dome light. Okay. Any one of you can perform faster than my computer? I think my computer is quite heavy. I have a lot of program inside my computer. It take time.
Sir,
Yes.
lepas tu export macam biasa eh?
Tadi sampai mana? Arnold. Yang ni ya, setting ni ya.
Aha.
Choose the Arnold renderer. Okay. Command here, maybe just rename this one, and the rest you just maintain it. Okay.
Okay.
And then system, if you have a GPU, okay, you can select the GPU. If you don't have it, CPU. Then close it. Then go to the Arnold, render it.
Okay.
Oh, before that, add the lighting. Sky dome light. Select the.
Jap, sir. Yang tadi dekat setting tu kan, itu pakai Maya 2.0 ke pakai Arnold?
Mana-mana boleh.
Okay. Lepas tu
As-
yang lighting tadi tu kena
Lighting only for Arnold.
okay.
If I use Arnold, then I have to make sure I have a lighting. So I have to edit the lighting. Here I'm using Arnold. Maybe you can use Maya 2.0, hardware 2.0. Maybe it can perform better than my mine. So not working.
Sir,
Yes, Faiz,
Okay.
you want to share?
no, I can you repeat how to render one more time?
How to render?
Yeah.
Okay. Are you going to use Maya hardware 2.0 or
I think I
Okay,
want to
close it.
use Arnold.
Arnold?
Yeah.
Okay. So this is, let me delete first. I don't. Oh, okay. I think. Okay. So let me generate again. Get brush. 3, 3, 3.
Sir,
Yes.
when I render, it only render plain.
Show it to me. Nazrin?
Yes.
Uh-huh.
Uh-huh.
Have you converted into the polygon?
Polygon?
Yes. Right click the tree, modify.
Modify?
Modify on the Maya.
Okay.
Convert. Just now I will show it to you. Convert, and then choose paint effect to the polygon.
Okay.
So now render. Okay.
Okay.
Wait moment. So once you complete, let me know. Yeah. So means your computer is good lah. Compared than me lah.
Completed.
I don't think so. Same
Oh,
take time.
okay. Oh, okay. Alright.
Oh.
I'll wait.
Okay. Example, I have a tree here. Okay.
Ni belum siap ni.
Dah siap? Tengok.
Never mind.
Okay. Example here. This is the in the what you edit here. Actually, you are in the you are still in the paint effect. Yeah. So you need to convert it. Yeah. You need to convert it into polygon. Let me answer.
Sir,
Sekejap. Tadi nak buat apa ya? Lupa saya. After that, you can go to the polygon, setting. Let's say I'm choosing the Maya hardware, then render it. Or maybe I choose the R0. Yeah, let me use R0. R0 render. Okay. And then I add the lighting, sky dome here. Example. Later on we have one chapter about the lighting and also camera. Next week camera. Next 2 weeks is lighting. Yeah. And then select render. Okay. Any other question?
sir,
Yes.
kenapa dia tak bergerak?
What do you mean bergerak?
Sekejap. Dia jadi macam ni je.
Yes.
Ah,
Okay. Because you did not the output that you create how many frame? This is the correct. Can you show it to me? Just now? Not this one. The output. Rendering. The rendering part. Okay. So this is the output. The output. But your output here is only one frame. So if you wanna get the movement of the tree wind tadi okay. Supposedly you convert into the several frame. You can see, go to the setting again. Yang ni kenapa cepat dia? Seraya. Dia lambat sangat. I don't know.
macam ni. Lepas tu,
Go to the setting.
sini, sini
Yeah, setting. Okay. Zoom in. Tak nampak saya. Okay.
Zoom.
Let me help you to this one. Okay. And then you go to the frame range. Ada tak frame range? Frame range.
Ni.
Okay, you can before. Okay, you may choose the you are using Maya, yeah, Maya. Okay, after that, go to the file output first.
File output. Okay.
Select the frame/animation ext. Nampak tak tu? Okay.
Okay.
You choose the name underscore hashtag.ext.
Okay.
What's the meaning here? You are going to create multiple frame, and then your name is here. What's the name? What's your file name prefix?
Pokok.
Pokok. Pokok underscore 1. Pokok underscore 2, 3, 4, and 5 lah. Dan?
Okay. Ini kena ubah nama tak ya?
Tak payah. Tak payah.
Okay.
After that, Alhamdulillah. After that, start frame is 1, okay? End frame is how many frame that you want to export it. Let's say tadi you bagi keyframe dekat mana tadi? Sampai 30 ya? So let's say you create until 120 lah.
Buat sini 120 ke?
Bukan kat situ. Frame range.
Sekejap. Okay ni.
You can see end frame. Make it 120 ya. It means that start from first frame until 120, okay, will be generated, okay, and then by frame is 1, yeah, unless you want to display even frame only. Kalau satu means you are going to display sequence, and then close it.
Close.
Close and then render again. Yes. What's the error?
Error, runtime error. Macam mana?
Arnold Maya. Semua dah dekat polygon?
Dah buat polygon. Mana tu ni?
Modify.
Modify. Mana yang tadi lupa lah?
Modify and then convert. Paint effect to polygon.
Okay. Dah.
Okay, try to run again. So basically the output supposedly multiple frame, yeah. There is an error here. What's the error?
Runtime error.
Runtime error. Maybe check the setup again. Let me see.
Mana setting ni tadi ya?
Tengok yang lain tak payah ubah. Maybe you can okay, Maya hardware common ya. By frame 1 perspective. Okay. Scene render option. Okay, 101 frame padding. Encoding. Image format apa tadi? You save dekat mana? PNG.
ke GIF?
Tak. Nanti keluar dia image lah, PNG.
Oh.
In order to make it a video, okay, then you need to visual effect to make it the sequence frame tadi, then
Oh,
to play the video. Supposedly like that.
macam mana?
Okay. Maybe you can use the Arnold. Try why the engine. I didn't see the error here. I cannot read, too small.
Ini. Runtime error.
Runtime error. File.
Run.
C program.
Ah.
Arnold Maya. But you use Maya hardware, not Arnold.
Mm-mm.
Okay, try to use the Arnold one.
Okay.
Okay. And close it. And then add the lighting.
Area light
Sky dome.
Sky dome. Okay.
And then click Arnold. Render it.
Not render.
Tu ada. Yang lain tu tak ubah lagi. Pokok-pokok tadi belum you did not convert into the polygon yet.
Oh, jap.
Kan baru pokok je kan?
Pokok je. Ni kena semua
Yes. Macam tu select ke? Something like that. But just now you are successfully using Arnold lah. Show it to me. But where you save the file, supposedly 120 frame. You can see the file under render view, where you save it. Supposedly is under Maya project default images. Check it. Supposedly there is a 120 PNG.
Check.
Other student?
Sir? Hilang.
Yes. Tadi siapa?
Sir.
Ya, sila Azim.
Tadi saya dah add paint effect to apa nama dia? Sekejap. Modify, convert. Okay, saya dah convert, add paint effects to polygons kan. Lepas tu macam nak render?
Same like Suraya. Same like Suraya.
Oh yeah.
Tadi dah explain.
Saya tadi lost sikit.
Okay, share your screen again.
Your entire screen. Okay. Ini ke? Salah.
Okay. Lepas tu pergi ke setting first.
Settings ini.
Render setting.
Render setting.
Tak ada masalah. Okay je. Render setting. Mana render setting? Render setting.
Ni render settings.
Atas.
Sekejap. Mana? Ni ke?
Mana?
Ni. Eh?
Can you see generate?
Sekejap.
Under
Okay.
generate tu ada setting. Kita
Eh.
follow.
Sekejap. Mana? Generate.
Kenapa you padam semua?
Hah? Salah.
Kenapa you padam semua?
Eh?
Hah?
Sekejap. Oh. Okay. Tadi salah screen. Okay. So pergi ke generate.
Render setting.
Aha.
Okay. You want to use, let's say use some Arnold ya, ready ya. Okay. I cannot see apa ni. Let me open it here from here. Wait a moment. You already choose the Arnold ya. Arnold.
Yep.
After that you the output. Okay. Okay, close it. Try to
Close.
use the default first, one image, okay, and then select Arnold
Select Arnold.
and then render it because you have a
Render.
lighting. You ready? Ni do you have a GPU?
Yes.
Patutlah laju.
Sampai sini je.
Tak lah. Tunggu je.
Oh. So.
Just wait. They will come up.
Okay.
Okay. I think just now Suraya show it. Show it to me again, Suraya. Yours.
Sekejap.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Alright.
Lepas tu render.
Tak payah render yang tadi output tadi. Dah okay.
Render ke?
Tunggu ya sekejap. So Azim, don't forget to convert into the polygon ya.
Oh, dah tadi. Convert semua jadi ke yang add paint tu ke? Paint effects to polygon Oh, dah.
So the output should be like this Yang Suraya. Tak sangka ya. Dekat kelas gelak. And then boleh jadi.
Sir, tapi dia ada cakap warning AI make TX prep. Apa tu?
As long as not error, okay lah.
Lepas tu ini dah jadilah ni.
That one is only one frame. Supposedly for your next task is you can convert the multiple frame. As I show it to you, the output should be 1 to 120. After that, the output image is 120. Then you have to open the visual effect or maybe other software to play the animation, the sequence of the image itself. Dan nanti nampak tadi yang pokok bergerak tadi. Find the file first, 120. Maya under project Maya.
After Effects ke? Bukan kat sini?
Ya boleh. But find the 120 frame images first, then you can open through the visual effect. Where you usually you store it into under Maya folder where you install the Maya. This is that I want from the assignment 1, rendering and then capture, send it to me lah. For assignment 1. For assignment 1, actually no need the animation yet, yeah.
Sekejap Mana tu?
Only one image, one frame. Alright, let me close this session. I'm a little bit not feeling well. Let me take a rest. We will see. I will see you. Oh, don't forget tonight we have a quiz. Yeah, we have a quiz, and then on Wednesday we have a midterm test. All right. All right. Thank you so much. See you tonight. Quiz, and on Wednesday we have a test. For the tips for you, please study for the lab exercise. So the questions come from the lab exercise. All right, and also chapter 1 to chapter 4. Thank you so much. See you lecture, yeah. Next lecture. Bye. Assalamualaikum.
Yeah, thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you,
sir. Sir.
Okay, bye.
Ada attendance ke, sir?
Thank you, sir.
Ya, dekat kalam ya. Quiz dekat kalam. Okay.
Attendance sir, bukan quiz.
Oh my God, I forgot. Wait. Let me